What's up, guys? Welcome back. Today we're going to be installing some car ramps. I meant to say front lip. I don't know why I said car ramps. I kind of just want to get into it, so let's get into it. I'll show y'all the parts first. Let me lay them out. Well, here they are, guys. Got these pieces. It's like a Yofer style front lip. Two side pieces, the middle piece. So let's get in the car and start installing. I recently got this trim set, so I'm gonna use these clip remover tools I just got. Alright guys, so I'm having issues with these push clips right here. This one don't go in. This one is not really going in, so I'll get back to y'all once I get those in. Alright guys, I got it in. I got the two ones in. This one right here, got it in. Got the other one in finally. So let's get to the sides. First I'm gonna test fit the sides, see how it fits up. So actually I think first I'm going to secure this middle piece with the screws. Let me show you where the screws go. Screws will go in between these slits right here, 1, 2, and 3. So I'll put these screws in first so I can hold it in place before I put the side in, so I know that it's accurate when I place it on there. Product. Now that I got it on the car, I just need to put these tabs in. I'll have to screw this in. Put this one in here, tab go here, and I'm gonna do the same on the other side. So I can't really record it here. I don't have like a mini tripod, so I'll just get back to y'all when I finish. Alright guys, so a little update. I screwed these two in right here because apparently the little tab that it comes with, like these clips, these little clips, it doesn't really fit in there, it just falls out, so I just screwed that in. Over here I screwed this in because I couldn't get this to line up. This doesn't line up with this, so again I just screwed this area right here, and I pretty much did the same thing on the other side. So let me just give you another view of how it looks. So now I'm gonna try to get the car down. I'm actually gonna have to find like some wood or something, because apparently I'm probably gonna insert a little clip right now. it's too low, so like it barely even clears without this. So I think if I roll it down this ramp with it on, it's probably just gonna rip it off. So I'm actually gonna go see if I can find some wood or something to put under these tires so it can give it a little bit more clearance. All right guys, so I found some wood. I put on both sides, so let's see if I can get this off. For the noise, my neighbor's just vacuuming her car. Alright guys, so it's been a couple of days since the last time I recorded. Obviously, I put this on here. It is dirty because it's been a couple of days, it's been raining. But I got the other half of my front lip, basically, up here. It's right here. So I'm actually gonna grab some of my car wash product and I'm gonna just wash just this section for now. Just gonna clean basically this bottom half of the bumper. I'm just gonna clean the bottom half of it. And then after I install this part, after I get it all cleaned up, I'm going to take the whole car and take it for a wash. I'm gonna go to a car wash or something, like a self car wash, and actually clean the car thoroughly. But for now, I'm just gonna clean this bottom half. So let's clean this up, install this part, so I can end this video. So it's done. As you can see, I just gotta put my toe strap back out, but I finished. I did have a little issue right here, which is still a little gap. I will fix that. I'll just take it off, put Gorilla Tape, because I think Gorilla Tape's better than the 3M that came with it. I did put Gorilla Tape on there, but right here for some reason it's sticking out, so I'll fix that later. And yeah, I guess I could just tell y'all while I'm here, I also did black out the chrome on the windows. And I do got more things coming. I'm still a little tired. I do got more things coming. So I do got a new grill piece. Also got a diffuser. But I think I'm gonna hold off on installing those because I don't feel like removing the front bumper. But I think I'm gonna order some coilovers, and then once I get those in, I'm gonna lower this a little bit. Get rid of this 3-finger gap. Make it at least like a 1 or 2 finger gap on both sides, front and back. But I guess I'll just catch you on the next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Catch y'all later.